Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some stuff that's coming to Prodigy. First off, we are going to look at the membership box for April. So, first thing we are going to look at is this bunny. I'll have to hold it so that you guys can see it. But this bunny is, I'm guessing this will be a head, or like a hat that you can wear. So yeah, it kind of looks weird. I'll have a bigger picture of it later in the video for you guys to see. And then if we go down, we got a tri-beak morph, some Yars, a croissant, and then a cool looking Easter bat. Not sure what I did there, but we have a cool looking Easter basket that will be in the April member box as well. So next on, we are going to move back, and here we have a better look at the Easter bunny that will be coming to, or that will be the head. So it's got like a floppy, limp ear over here. The teeth is the thing that makes it look weird. It kind of just looks like a stuffed animal, which I don't really like. So that's why I don't think it looks very good. Okay, so next up we have some flowers. I'm assuming that this will come in the Springfest. It hasn't come yet, but it could come soon. We also still have not gotten Starlight Festival, which is weird. Or we haven't gotten it in a while. Almost a year. So, but back onto this, it's like a flower hat thingy that you'd wear on like a circlet. Could be called the flower circlet, I'm not sure. And then we got the last thing. As I said, this is going to be a short video, but this is, I think this will be a buddy. It looks really cool. Sorry if I start to stutter a little bit. It's hard for me to talk this much at a time, but the eyes look cool. It's like a cracked egg. I'm not sure what it's actually going to look like. It could just have some legs sticking out of it, and that's all. But it's based on the icon that we have. It looks like it's going to be pretty cool. So that's going to be all of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by May. Let's see if we can do it. And yeah, bye.